We're off to KwaZulu-Natal now, where the Ithala Bank liquidation case will be heard again at the Durban High Court this morning. Efforts are underway to keep the bank in operation after the Prudential Authority applied for its liquidation. The PA, the Prudential Authority that is, argues that the Ithala is insolvent and has failed to comply with instructions to repay deposits. Newzroom Afrika's Phila Mthembu is now joining us live from Durban. A very good morning to you, Phila. What can we expect the Prudential Authority's arguments to be before the court?
Good morning to you, Aldrin. So the Prudential Authority is expected to actually appeal the decision or the ruling which was taken by the Pietermaritzburg High Court in May, and that is when Judge Ncube actually ruled that the Ithala can continue with operations, Aldrin. So the Prudential Authority essentially is expected to also, elaborate more on a statement that they had made saying that that particular court, the Pietermaritzburg High Court, essentially failed to consider the harm to, to depositors, to also, the public interest as well. When that particular ruling was actually made, you know that the Ithala Bank now continues with operations, but certain of them not permitted to accept any deposits from now as this particular battle continues. The Prudential Authority did, of course, in January apply for the bank to be liquidated, saying that, as you know, the bank does not have an operating license. It has never had one. Instead, it had been accepting deposits under exemption. So we have seen this affect scores of, depositors and people who utilize this particular bank, at least over 250,000 of them, since those bank accounts had been frozen amidst this ongoing battle, and with many of them saying that they were not even able to access their accounts and are hoping that a solution or a common conclusion is going to be found at the end, which is going to make them breathe a sigh of relief and actually meet their expectations, as they are hoping for this particular bank to continue with operations in an unlimited manner. We've also seen the KZN government throwing their weight behind this particular bank, saying that they are in full support of it and that they are hoping that it's going to be allowed to continue with its operations, as many people are going to be affected. But we are expecting for the proceedings to start at around 10 o'clock this morning here at the Durban High Court.